Hi, this is Natalie. I'm going to show you my assignment for this week. And so I'm going to start with my code for adding Tony Stark as a client. And copy and paste that in SQL. Okay, and it says inserted, so I can go to my clients and go down and see right here that Tony Stark is in there. All right, the next thing is to update his client level to 3. So do that. That is. Go. Oh, and of course we have an error. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, so go back in and see that now his client level is 3. Alright, next we're gonna update the nylon rope to be climbing rope. Alright, so it's going to say climbing rope now instead of nylon rope. And browse our inventory. And it says climbing rope. Alright, next I'm going to get all the miscellaneous inventory. Alright, and it brings up this list here. Okay, and then I'm going to delete the car that I can't pronounce. There we go. Yep, I want to delete it. Okay. So I can go in and look and see that that car is not in there anymore. Alright, and then next I'm going to go in and show you my connections. And this is my code here. And I'll run it. And it works, so no errors. And then I'll break it and run it again. And there is my error page. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all you do.